How to change phone region on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Language and Region. Over here, you can select your preferred language and region from the respective options. Now, tap on Region as shown. You can search for or select a region from the options below. For example, Belgium. Note that changing the region may require restarting your device to apply the changes, and it can affect the display of date, time, and currency formats. Here, tap on Keep English, US, below if you don't want to change the iPhone language to UK English. Following these steps, you can easily change phone region on iPhone.